Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ganji FX. And today we'll be looking at the Euro Yen. Again, this is one of the best pairs that we're able to trade here at Ganji FX. And yeah, so we're coming to the end of the year. It's on the 27th and 28th. And we're just kind of looking for what's kind of happening in the market right now. Uh, we had a huge move on the market last week when the Bank of Japan decided to increase its rates from 0.25 to zero point 0.5. And so I think a lot of traders were caught off guard with this move. I, being one of them, ended up being getting stopped out. And we're seeing that the market has slightly started to rebound back to its highs. And yeah, so let's just go over the pair again from the jump from the beginning and see what is most likely about to happen in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, and see how we can decide to get how we can play the market. So first things first, we're gonna go to the monthly chart um, and just see what's kind of going on, right? You can tell that we're in this uptrend, very strong, clear uptrend, and just gonna switch it up to a line chart right here. So first things first is what's our target? What's our target looking like? I'm looking at this level right here. I'm looking at this position of the chart right here where we are. We had this move to the top, and we have this retracement. And first things first, as obvious, we'll take our Fibonacci tool and get it at the low, extend it to the high, and we're looking for the 61.8 level, which I've highlighted in red right here. And just not looking for the 61.8 level, we're looking for a level of support and resistance that's slightly below the 61.8 level. So and to do that, what I'm doing is I'm looking left, and I just saw one. And if you can see this level right here that I've put the red horizontal line at, is the market has tend to come here, found a level of resistance, push down. Market found a level of support right here, then continue pushing higher. So we're looking that if the market will come and probably want to test this price over here, which is around $140. I mean, sorry, 139.65. And I'll just turn that to to the candlesticks, and as you can see, we have tested the price, and the market just kind of rejected it, used it as a level of support, and has started rising again. And that's kind of a good sign for me. And so what's the next move after that? So next move is identifying the negative 27 level, which is around 149.85, 149.841. And same thing, we're going to look for a level of support or resistance that's slightly above that level. And we can see that it's 150.42 if you look to the left. So from the monthly, we have decided that our long-term target is around 150.42. So now it's just about acting on it. And so we're gonna go down to the daily and 4 hour charts to look for our entries. So we're gonna drop down to the daily, and if you look on the daily, um, the market lined up and touched the this was the level that we saw on the weekly, the 61.8 level of support. And as you can clearly see, the market touched this level and is starting to bounce back to the top, which is a good sign for us. So we are looking for longs in this market right now. So what's the first thing we want to do right here is take our Fibonacci tool and draw it from this level, which was this previous high, all the way to the low. And you just want to identify one of its shorter term targets. And its short term target will be around, I'm going to take the red line and mark it right there, which is 144.161. And so this is a short term target right here. So I mean, the first thing is we have to be patient when you're looking for this trade. So most likely what will happen is the market will reach this level, then it will make a retracement, and then we'll want to be looking for to get into a trade around here. This is what most likely might happen. Uh, So the market will pull up to this level right here. Let me just change that real quick. So what most likely will happen is the market will pull to this level, um, then retrace again, and from that level is when would most likely be our best time to take a trade and for us to take the market all the way to the top. And of course, it won't just be like that. It won't be perfect. It'll be like maybe up, um, down, just how the market usually is, and then up, down, and then to the top. So, yeah, that's just one of the things you just gotta be prepared for. So, yeah, I'm gonna just take this all off. So again, we're looking for the market to come up here and then retrace down. And where would it retrace down to? So again, you take your Fibonacci tool from this level to this high, and you're looking for 61.8 level, and right here, this level of support slash resistance. So there's too many red lines. I'm gonna take them all off. So we're just gonna deal with this too. So what I'm looking for in the market right now is for the market to test this level, come down to this level, and from this level is where I'd be looking to take a long all the way up to 150.421. So our bias for Euro JPY right now is a long, and if you set yourself up well, you could have a great risk to reward of almost let's say how many, 5. I must set my stop loss at almost 150 pips. So you could have a 6 to 4 one reward to risk, and yeah, that's a great trade. You could make almost 50% to your money, um, as long as you're risking something that's comfortable with your account, with your portfolio, and everything. You can follow me on Twitter. I share more of my information there and my trades. And if you want to learn more, you can also DM me there or find me on. Just leave a comment on YouTube. I normally get back to everyone, and yeah, we can learn together and just kind of get to this bug together. Until next time, peace.